Alright guys, welcome back. If you've been following along, you know I'm putting the 250 motor on the old frame. I've got everything wired back up. Had really no problems. There's only one cable that I didn't have to use. And like I said, I did fold it back when I was taking it apart, so I knew which one it was. But here's a little bit of helpful advice. All that packing stuff that came with your bike, right? I placed a piece down at the bottom here to keep my wires from actually laying down against the metal of the base. And then I took this one and I just cut it basically so it would go up around the wire harness. Comme ça. Let's see, like that, because it was rattling around in there and I was not super happy with that. So I'm going to place that around here. And then you'll find that it is a really tight fit. It's not going to go all the way down, so it's not going to block the holes. But you can see, let me press it to get it to fit down in here. And I'm gonna have a real tight fit up against the top here. That's as tight as could possibly be. I'm going to push it down until it hits the wires and everything. And then I have two little wedges that I cut of that same foam, that thick foam that came with it, and I'm just going to wedge it in here on the side, on each side of this, and that's going to keep it from rattling around or coming loose. I did confirm that the 250 with the old controller will run 40 plus, but you're not going to have near the power on the 250 motor as you did on the 750, which is why I'm doing this repair. So we'll do that wedge right there. Got one more little piece we can stuff in here. Let's see if I got a better one. That one's a little bit bigger. And I'm going to put it in there. Now, I did not block the drain holes in the bottom. And now that thing should be wedged in there pretty good. I'm not really worried about it overheating so much. But I was worried about the wear and tear on the exterior of the casing of the old one. It was pretty worn, and then also it's going to stop it from compressing onto to these wires. So now that thing, you'd be hard pressed to get it out of there. So reuse some of your packing material when you're putting this thing back in. Make you some wedges, keep it from rattling around, and you should be good to go. I was able to do this one using the half plug from the back here. Let me see if I can find it. It is, let me feel for it. It's actually all the way underneath here. Got to get a good shot. Back up. Right about there. But there's a plug. The other one doesn't have a plug, so I'm going to have to solder all the wires together. So I'm going to do that. And I should be back on the road soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. If you got this bike, let's talk about it.